Good morning, students. We are here again with a new chapter, Beautiful World of Birds from your EPS. So here we will learn about different kind of birds, how they can fly, how is it possible the birds can fly up in the sky, while there are some birds who cannot fly. Just imagine they cannot fly. They are called the flightless birds. Can you tell me one name of that bird? Okay, so I'm going to tell you two names, that's kiwi and ostrich. They cannot fly, right? While some of the birds are there who can fly for a long distance, right? While some of the birds have a very short beak. Some of the birds are there who live in water only. They are called the aquatic, right? So a lot of things we are going to learn from this chapter, A Beautiful World of Birds. So come with me, open your chapter and do the study with me. Okay students, here we are going to start the reading of the chapter 5, A Beautiful World of Birds. All birds have wings and two legs. The wings help them to fly. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. You know that cow doesn't have feathers, lion, tiger, even we doesn't have the feather, right? Only the animals have feathers. A bird's body consists, repeat this word 2 times, consists of the head, trunk, wings, legs and tail. बर्ड की बॉडी में क्या क्या पार्ट्स होते हैं? So we have eyes, beak, this is called head, tongue, feathers, a long tail, legs and claw. Claw means पंजे. Now the question comes, what helps a birds to fly? How is it possible that bird can fly and we are not? Its body is shaped like a boat. Boat means नाव. Body किसकी तरह होती है? नाव की तरह. This shape helps it to float in the air easily. Float means तैरना. कहाँ पे तैर रही है? Air. So boat shape of the bird help them to float in the sky. Aeroplanes are also boat shaped. You have seen that. Its bones are hollow. Hollow means खोखली, पाइप की तरह, and filled with air. What's inside? Air. This makes them light. इससे क्या हो जाती है? बर्ड की बॉडी लाइट हो जाती है. How? Just because of the hollow bones, right? So here I want to share one more topic. Their feathers are light and the shape of their wings is perfect for catching the air, right? तो उनकी जो फेदर्स होते हैं बहुत लाइट वेटेड होते हैं, बहुत हल्के होते हैं, और जो शेप होती है उनकी विंग्स की वो एकदम परफेक्ट होती है सो दैट वो एयर को कैच कर सके. दे ईट लॉट्स ऑफ हाई एनर्जी फूड. वो हाई एनर्जी फूड लेते हैं, ना कि जंक फूड, राइट? अ बर्ड्स हैज स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स. उनकी मसल्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होती हैं. दैट मूव द विंग्स अप एंड डाउन. These are called flight muscles. The question, what are flight muscles? A bird has strong muscles that move the wings up and down. Its tail help it to change its direction during flight. जो उसकी tail होती है, help the birds to change the direction. Now, types of feathers. There are different kinds of feathers in different birds, right? A bird's body is covered with feathers. Different birds have feathers of different colors. Birds have mainly 3 types of feathers. एक ही bird में 3 types के feathers होते हैं. Flight feathers. What are the flight feathers? Some feathers are long and flat. These are called the long feathers. Okay? They remain attached to the wings and the tail. Where you can find that feathers? You can find that feathers in the birds. Where in the birds? In wings and tail. They help the birds to fly and are called flight feathers. So these feathers are called the flight feathers. They are long, right? So what are the down feathers? Down feathers, some feathers are short and soft. ये बहुत ही soft होते हैं और बहुत छोटे छोटे होते हैं. They act like a warm sweater. ये कैसा काम करते हैं? Warm sweater. Warm sweater means गर्म स्वेटर की तरह. They keep the bird's body warm in cold weather. So during the winter season, they keep the body of the birds warm. A newborn birds have a lot of down feathers. जो newborn होता है ना, newborn of bird have a lot of down feathers, right? Now body feathers. अब body feathers क्या होते हैं? Body feathers cover the body of the bird. They give shape to the bird's body. Like we have muscles and a lot of things, but birds have feathers to cover the body. They remain attached to the body of the bird, right? So birds fly to different extents. Different extents means extents. उनके उड़ने की अलग अलग क्षमता होती है. How? A crane, a pigeon. The crane and the pigeon fly over long distances. They can cover a long distance. Even pigeon is called the postman in the ancient time. Ancient time means जो पुराने जमाने में थे ना, the pigeon act like a postman. Now come to the cock and the hen. Fly over very short distances. They cannot be able to fly for a long distance, or not even from one roof to the third roof or the fourth roof, right? So they can fly from roof to down to your garden. That's it. So coming to the next, the eagle and the vulture fly at great heights. बहुत ऊंचे उड़ते हैं, ऊंचे. An eagle, a vulture. Now coming to the sparrow and bulbul. The sparrow and the bulbul fly at low heights. ये नीचे नीचे छोटी छोटी हाइट पे उड़ते हैं, लॉन्ग हाइट्स पे नहीं उड़ सकते. नाउ बर्ड्स दैट डू नॉट फ्लाई एट ऑल. बताओ, कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसे भी होते हैं that cannot be able to fly. Just imagine. Some birds do not fly at all. They move on land with the help of their legs. They cannot fly. These are called flightless birds. Flightless. Flightless means जो उड़ नहीं सकते. The kiwi, ostrich, penguin and emu are flightless birds. Now coming to the aquatic birds. What do you mean by aquatic? Aquatic means water. Aquatic means water. There are many birds that spend most of their time in water. बहुत सारे birds ऐसे हैं जो ज़्यादातर पानी में ही रहते हैं. These birds are called the aquatic birds. They have oil glands. Oil glands. Oil का मतलब जानते हैं ना? Tail. Glands means उनके पास ऐसी glands होती हैं जिनमें oil होता है. That keep their feathers waterproof. जिनके से उनके feathers कैसे हो जाते हैं feathers? Waterproof. The oil from these glands prevents their feathers from getting wet, जिसकी वजह से उनके पंख गीले, wet means गीले, getting नहीं हो पाते हैं गीले. Ducks, swans, gulls, pelicans and cranes are aquatic birds. They have webbed toes. Toes means हमारे पैर के पंजों को toes बोलते हैं ना, तो webbed toes means feet. उनके webbed feet होते हैं. Webbed means जाले की तरह. ओके, ऐसे जाला बना हुआ होता है. They help them to swim. Now coming to the nest. Like us, birds need a home to live in. Birds को भी रहने की जगह चाहिए. The home of a bird is called a nest. So the home of a bird is called nest. Before building a nest, सबसे पहले घोंसला बनाने से पहले, before means पहले, building a nest, building means बनाने से पहले, the bird pair decides. पेयर मीन्स बर्ड पेयर, जैसे मम्मा पापा होते हैं ऐसे बर्ड का भी पेयर होता है. वेयर टू बिल्ड द नेस्ट, हम घोंसला कहाँ बनाएं. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कलेक्टिंग मटीरियल. वो घोंसला कहाँ बनाते हैं? मैनी टाइम्स ऑन द ब्रांचेस ऑफ द ट्री और मैनी टाइम्स इनसाइड द होम, राइट. सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कलेक्टिंग मटीरियल. मटीरियल मीन्स घोंसला बनाने के लिए जो सामान चाहिए. एंड कैरिंग इट टू द बिल्डिंग साइट. बिल्डिंग साइट मीन्स जहाँ पे वो अपना घोंसला बना रहे होते हैं उस साइट पे लेके जाते हैं. The final step is construction. Construction. So repeat this word. Construction. Construction means उनको बनाना. Construction बोलते हैं ना, construction वर्क चल रहा है, हमारे घर का construction means मकान बन रहा है. Birds build nest to lay and hatch the eggs. Birds को nest की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है? To lay and hatch eggs. वहाँ पे अंडे देने के लिए और उन्हें उनमें से बेबीज को निकालने के लिए. प्रोटेक्ट देयर एग्स एंड बर्डलिंग्स फ्रॉम एनिमीज. प्रोटेक्ट देयर एग्स, अपने एग्स को प्रोटेक्ट करना, एंड बर्डिंग फ्रॉम द एनिमीज. एनिमीज से बचाना. एनिमीज मीन्स दुश्मन से बचाना. दुश्मन कौन है? लाइक कैट और डॉग और द स्नेक. can eat their eggs. Protect themselves from harsh weather. Harsh means bad weather. Bad weather से बचाना, like a very heavy rain or thunderstorm, or you can say the winds, when the heavy winds flow, right? So that is called the harsh weather. Now coming to the next, nests of birds. Different kind of the nest have different birds have the different kinds of nest, right? Sparrow, it make its nest in the houses. वो घर के अंदर बनाती है. Trees या trees में बनाती है, or any other protected place. The material it uses to make its nest are mainly grass, leaves, straw and cotton. So this is the nest of sparrow. Tailor bird. One more bird is there, it's called tailor. Tailor, you know who is tailor? Who stitches clothes. It weaves its nest like its beak. वो अपनी beak से बनाती है, सिलती है. The material it uses to make its nets are thread. वो धागों का यूज करती है. Wool, ऊन का. And vegetable fibers. Vegetable के fibers को यूज करती है. Vulture. So this is the nest of a tailor bird. Vulture. It makes its nest on high trees. ये बहुत ऊंचे ऊंचे ट्रीज में अपने नेस्ट को बनाते हैं. द नेस्ट लुक लाइक अ शैलो कप. शैलो कप की तरह दिखता है. द मटेरियल्स इट यूज टू मेक इट्स नेस्ट इंक्लूड स्टिक्स एंड ट्विग्स. स्टिक्स मीन्स सूखी डंडियां, एंड ट्विग्स. वुड पैकर. नाउ वुड पैकर इट मेक इट्स नेस्ट इन ट्री ट्रंक्स. ट्री की ट्रंक्स होती हैं. ट्रंक्स मीन्स जो तना होता है उसमें एक होलो एरिया बनाते हैं और उसी के अंदर ये अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं. इट यूजेस इट्स chisel like beak to make a big hole in a tree trunk. A big hole. This hole is used as a nest, right? Now weaver bird. It uses grass and twigs to make its nest. The nest is strong and big. The entrance is, now here you have to learn entrance. Entrance is at the lower end of the nest. Lower end मतलब नीचे से अंदर ऊपर जाने का रास्ता होता है. और बनाती किससे है? ग्रास एंड ट्विग्स, राइट? सो हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द चैप्टर ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड ऑफ बर्ड्स. हियर वी हैव लर्न different kind of the nest. We have learned different kind of the feathers. We have learned different kind of the animals, their distance they covered, and about the bird who are aquatic and the bird who cannot fly, right? So bye bye students.